Howdy. Today we are going to draw a fish called grass carp. Let's draw the outline of the body first. For each type of fish, the body characteristics is important. That's how we know the fish easily. There are lots of fish in this world, and each fish has different characters in its body. All we need to do is just observe the body characteristics, then we can easily recognize any fish. This is the basic shape of the carp, grass carp. This is the grass carp. All right, let's put the color. Starting from the head, putting the color. It has a little dark shades on the back. Okay, let's put another darker color. So the color looks like light chocolate color, chocolate but light tone, color tone. You can see it's getting nice as long as we're putting all the details and making the drawing. Now I'm going to put the scales not in detailed forms, but this is going to be the graphical presentations of the fishes. Okay, so this looks good. I hope you like the video. You can browse through our playlist and you have lots of categories in drawings, so many drawings there. You can select your own choices. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.